way to go pick up my ramps because I have to get them extended. Some of my videos, you can see the car kind of start to nosedive when I come off the ramps. So in order to fix that, I actually have to help my preload, which means I need to make my ramps longer. So that way, when the car is on the ramps, the rear end is already starting to up travel before my front wheels get off the ramp, and that right there is the main issue. So I'm heading over to my boy's shop. He's gonna extend the ramps for me. Plus your boy can't weld.
Good morning, Jeremy.
No, well, I mean, my car only weighs 3,000 pounds.
Everything's 1/4 inch. I mean, so it's pretty solid. Pretty hard. He welded it every little expansion. He didn't skip stitch none of it. Look, he welded every single one. Yeah. Do you feel these when you hit it?
No.
No, you don't feel it.
And in the Genesis, those King coilovers, man, you don't feel shit.
You don't feel shit.
The faster I go, the smoother it gets. Yeah. That's it. And I know when I'm in the air because the steering is really nice. But
yeah, it's nice and loose.
Yeah, it's nice and loose.
Until you hit and you're like this. Shit. A couple days, I don't know, say 3 days. It's just
that's fine.
It's not a lot of work. It's getting to.
Yeah, just getting it. No, that's fine. The dude who built them took like 2 months. So, Lewis, if you watch this video, I'm not hating on you, bro. I love what you did.
Yeah, no, it's great.
It's just
I don't want to cut it off.
Yeah, it's just, you know, it's amazing that every single one of those was tack loaded. Like
every single one.
3 days later.
So we are heading over to Ryan's shop/house right now to go pick up the new ramp. I got my new big boy 24-foot trailer. I'm a little tired this morning. We've got a long day today. It's about knee level now. Fuck.
Yeah, they're a little bit taller. These ain't too heavy. I can move these by myself. They're nowhere near these.
That's what.
Yeah, I built this on the trailer.
I figured.
Oh yeah.
Nah, I figured you did. My hitch has been locked onto my truck for a while because I forgot the key, so Ryan's gonna cut it off for me, thankfully. Again, thanks, man. Thank you. I gotta run, so this is gonna be great. I'm excited to kill myself with these. It's gonna be a great time.
Well, the ramps won't break, so you're good.
Yeah, no, the ramps won't break. My back might. So we get all the way. Go get my leveler. Look at that. That right there is pure level, boys. Listen, I'm so excited because we got the new ramp extensions. We got the Coleman up in there. Jamie didn't do shit. Wow. Jeremy's just upset right now. But we got the ramps loaded up. We got the fucking Baja Warrior in there that messed up my leg. Now we're heading to Baytown. We didn't know if the event was gonna happen today. My homeboy said it's happening, so we're gonna go meet Steven out there. Greg? Man. And my man's car is blue now? Oh, and twin turbo. Yeah, I saw when it was white.
I did the side. What's the plan for today?
Send it? Okay. Is there a theme for today's video? Because that's
It's a Christmas video.
This Christmas.
I mean, I didn't bring anything to wear or dress up as or anything, but
I could have brought a Santa hat,
we
but I
just
didn't know.
sent it.
All right.
Oh wait, I have one in
It's
my
just
car.
it's just a Christmas hoon. That's what it is. Piece of shit. First time for everything. We're either gonna break the Genesis or it's gonna do fantastic. I don't really know.
It's gonna jump so much higher. I hope that preload works, like, because if it doesn't, you're fucked.
It's time to do a first test hit. I'm a little nervous about this test hit. Gotta get my anxiety down. Wish I could masturbate, get some post-nut clarity. My balls are still growing, okay? I'm a child. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't nervous right now. I would be.
You're just super nervous.
I'm a little nervous.
it looks a lot better though.
Oh, the ramp's moved.
I'm gonna get something to strap them together.
What?
It's like full roll cage. I'll hit the wall doing 80, don't fucking tip me. I will put it in this wall and hit on that red limiter until it fucking blows. So happy to be out here. You know what I mean? They're so fucking nice. It's worth all the money I've spent, which is thousands of dollars.
Cost you Austin.
It did, it cost me Austin, but it's all right. That's my son, I had to give him back to adoption.
Wait, really?
Yeah, I couldn't afford him anymore. I had to buy the ramps.
Is it a son or is it like a pet?
Well, I mean, adoption kids are basically pets. That's what they are.
Okay.
You just, it's like they got a 30-day return policy. So I had to return it, get your money back, full refund. Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Oh shit, I'm so sorry.
He said we're ready. So
ready.
It's only been an hour. Don't let him. Fucking drift cars, man.
God, yeah, dude. My dick is so small right now. Fuck, it feels great.
That felt fucking great.
Here's what we needed.
Yo, can I give it a whirl?
Huh?
Can I give it a whirl?
Why are you shaking?
Are we good? Because I want to put the thing in the wall.
You literally have no
We'll do another one of him jumping and then the Mustang behind him. And then we'll do a couple videos of everybody just doing whatever and then wrap up.
First one up here, Taylor.
They literally like
I don't know how many times I've seen this fucking car and I have not got the chance to even just check it out.
We're going to make sure you buckle up to safety, though.
Ah, it's fine with me. Is this the highest you've jumped this thing? Or have you jumped it higher than this?
It's gone higher. The only difference is that I've done like tabletop, so I get high and then it's a little bit better.
Right.
This, I'm just literally flying through there and then coming down.
That actually lands a lot smoother than I thought it would. Yeah.
I felt my nuts getting sucked back to my body because I hadn't done anything crazy in a minute. Now they're dropping again. Ugh. Oh, I'm about to be a 12-year-old boy again.
Probably just driving